Hi, my name is Anup, and this is my dad, Mr. Mohan Raj. Uh, about 3 years ago, we did the surgery for the nose and the palate. Before that, he used to snore a lot. He would also struggle for breathing while he was sleeping, and that got us worried. So we came here to meet the doctor, and we got the surgery done about 3 years back. And I think after the surgery, about 3 weeks, and then he was perfectly fine. His snoring's reduced by almost 80%. He doesn't struggle for breathing also. So we just got the follow-up checkup done and everything seems fine. So 3 years and the treatment's been consistent. Thank you.